So I was just about to complain. Well, I complained for the first few seconds of my thoughts that hey, I slept very late. Well, I slept was it's 10 o'clock late? I don't know. Well, that's subjective, right? I slept. I had a very long shift and doing what I do. Then I slept at 10 p.m. only to wake up at 2 a.m. to study. But then I was like, this is what people who study law do, right? And this is what people who study in general do, right? When you're in Rome, you do what Romans do, and this is what people do. So today we are looking at the Bill of Rights, chapter 2 of the Bill of Rights. So I'm studying, and I grouped this section and other sections that I feel fall under this section, under the title Foundation and Application. The first section we're looking at is section 7, which is rights. So we're trying to get a better understanding of what are rights. I mean, that's an easy ask because, maybe in a conversation we may ask, are rights things that are passed on to you? Are rights things that are given to you? Or are rights privileges that you are born with, right? As are rights things that are given to a certain group? Or are rights the same in general for everyone, every type, every group of individuals, of people? So, and then this section 7 really deals with that. It declares that the Bill of Rights to be the foundation of South African democracy, right? It places duties and it places responsibilities on the state to make these rights real rights and acknowledge that rights can only be limited in the ways of the Constitution, right? So what I have in my notes is really that rights are things that rights are privileges that we are born with, okay? And there's certain types of rights that cannot be limited. And there's certain types of rights that can be limited. Think of a time when we had a curfew, right? And we had to be in our houses by 9 o'clock. So our rights, freedom of movement in our own country was limited, okay? And then we have certain rights that cannot be limited. And those rights are found under Section 36 of the Bill of Rights, which I'm still going to go deeper into. But our government specifically has the responsibility to promote, fulfill, and respect our rights. Because I love making analogies, and I made one for this section. Imagine that you are in a new school. The first day at school, the principal hands you a book. This is a rule book, okay? A rule book. So this book contains your rights. And the principal tells you, this book has your rights. Nobody, not teachers, not prefects, not even me, can take away these rights from you, okay? In fact, as the principal, I have to ensure that these rights are respected, okay? So that's what Section 7 really deals about. So thank you for sticking for this duration of the video, and hopefully I make time to make another video discussing Section 8, which is the application. Okay, cheers.